course, that, you know, my son sitting down over there. And can I have a copy of the... Let's go now. I'll call some drinks in the Fat Philip. Hi guys! Mga gayem kakabsat. Tanghali na namin. Anong oras na ba? Let's see. Oh, 1:29 na pala. So, magluluto lang ako ng boiled egg. I'm just gonna cook boiled egg and pancit canton. I'm gonna bring the boiled egg. Ay, boiled egg. Raw eggs. In a... Chili mansi. That's our lunch and breakfast. Nida ngayon. Nida ni Papa mo. Dito na. Dumating na. Hi. Pudot la una, aduan mo.
Ay, post-click. Sakit likod.
Ha?
Alright. Ay, buntis na tayo.
Ano, naka-ano?
Alright, 10 minutes. Gan na kasi. Subli-subli.
Too loud, ate, the TV. Too loud, the TV. Happy Father's Day, that.
Why?
Di system nila kay New Zealand Father's Day yan. Nalipatan men. Happy Father's Day, Lakay. Oy, Asle. It's Father's Day in Philippines. Sorry, Lakay. We forgot to greet you. Happy Father's Day. Magluluto tayo ng pancit canton pang madalian kasi lalabas kami ngayon. Okay? Ito, magluluto ako ng 3 pancit canton. Okay. Father's Day? Weh. Si Kaliyam, did you greet Daddy Father's Day? It's Father's Day in the Philippines. Ooh. Happy Father's Day, Lakay. Philippine Father's Day.
Philippine Daddy.
Kumukulo ng aking egg. 5 minutes cook lang to para hindi ma-overcook. Ayan yun. Waiting for boiling with pancit canton.
Tito! That's your Tito!
Look at you.
Tito! Tito.
Ashley, is it what's the time? Ashley, what's the time? What's the time?
1:40.
Tell me if it's 1:41, okay? Op.
Sorry, I'm busy.
1,000, boy!
We're doing Oreo with milk. Oreo with milk. How many Oreo?
I think I want 3 since I'm not really hungry.
Just 3.
Yeah.
Then milk. You eat now here in the table, ah? Just only small milk muna. Then if you want more, we can still add. You use the spoon. Use your spoon now. Use your spoon. Come on.
I sometimes dunk it in.
And guys, kumulo na. Lagay na natin. Nay, taruh martain tong.
I already ate it.
Pansit kantong.
Oreo with milk.
Kapi. Pero may maadat na.
Ano
yung pan mo?
Oo, talo.
Puro chili. Nasakit yan. Nagada. Unay. May salang ko mga chili.
Unohaan duwa nga chili may sa kalamansi.
Amin puro chili.
Win.
Nagadat na. Sakit ka dyan.
Pasensya naman lakay. Next time amokton. Ore ko lang.
Nadat unay.
Duwa nga chili may sa kalamansi na.
Isang nakpenangan dati nga masaya.
Paitan ka na nga.
Kupitsa lang.
Hindi RJ ka work ka na nga work.
Kupitsa.
Tingin sa pizza laki nun mo nga.
Hindi man na yung masayila ko lang.
Nainigila ko na.
Hindi. Tambot ni sos ta. Kaya.
Walang mo tinay masajino pa steak.
Isa. Nagada po na.
Ikaw kumain na po yung angamer?
Hindi na po eh.
Wala, nagkaluto. Ikaw mga lain na po, ito daraw kang basit.
Tunawat man natin sa adumbo kaya.
Ang sapaw na.
Pero wait, hindi ko na lang.
Where they going?
Takurulla.
Yeah, I'm sleeping.
Matamanin. Every time we go out, he sleep inside the car.
Did you put it higher? Oh, wait, no, we're here. Oh, wait, no, we're not here.
Before you reach sadness. Before you sad, before you
The car. Antok ni kanina. Actually, let's go here. Dahil kong sakit ng paa ko. Masakit ang aking paa. Hello, ate. Lakad-lakad sa parking lot. Father and son holding hands. Where? What's that? Oh yeah, so cute.
And that neck pillow.
What? This one, neck pillow? Their daddy, they're too far now. We need to run. Where's daddy now? There. Where are you, ate? My son sitting down over there. Ooh, Oppo. There's my husband looking something. What are you looking at, ate? Nyala kaya that.
What are you looking at? Is it a flip?
So beautiful. Flip. Yeah, flip. Oppo find into flip.
What type of phone is that?
Look at this. So good. Oppo find. Thank you. Sige, ahan. Look at them, ah. Open it. You can open it. Open. Yeah, you can open it. Come on. Whoa. Kastane, oh.
Can I open this?
Yeah, you can flip it up. It just careful. Yeah.
This one.
See, open.
How is
Oh,
the screen bendable?
I don't know. That's the model.
If your phone doesn't want to crack, then pop it.
The virus.
So Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra. Those are the available colors. I'm looking for a phone, so that's why I'm here. Hi, lakay. Aji ka no kwam. Iji ka no nita need your license, your ID. Yeah. Need your ID.
Yeah, so it's not like solely retreat, but the stuff. Just on here, for example. So I have one thing.
Waiting. Don't wipe your beanie, Liam. On my phone. Ew. I'm getting my phone. And can I have a copy of the billings? The summary?
Yeah, like the bell.
Yeah, like for example, like how much do I need to pay
Yeah.
for the thing? Mm-hmm. 39, 40. After. Hello. Father's Day. Picture na ni Papa mo. Ito guys, i-unbox natin to mamaya. Ano tong ay sa another video pala. Hindi ko pala i-unbox na ngayon. Separate video ang unboxing.
Could I unpause it now?
Yes.
Bye.
Doing guys? What? Whoa.
Not have a mouse.
Gaming screen.
This is only $599. Please.
No, we don't have money. That's too expensive.
Oh my God.
Going? We need to look for daddy now.
Oh, keep playing.
Let's go na let's go now.
I hate looking like Santa because you told
We
me
just
to
go
do
there,
it.
this way.
I'll smash the TV. I'm a gamer.
When you grow up, you can buy the gamer screens. Watch. Why? You need to watch.
I'm just gonna click on the TV.
Let's go now. No.
But Ashley's getting me.
Sige, you're not a kid anymore. Oh, sige, you play now.
LZN 446. That's LZN 446. Please return to your car. Thank you.
What credit card?
We can do this thing.
You can go there. Oh, there's no kid in the other. I don't have coins. Let's go now. I'll call Daddy now. Internet. Oh. Let's go now. I'll call Daddy now, okay? Huh? Come on, I'll call now, Daddy. We need to cook food pa. Yes. Let's go now. Let's go now. Wait, I'll call Daddy. It's so cute. I don't have extra money.
Ashley, Kuromi.
Kuromi.
Can you wear this?
No. Pokemon. Pikachu. That's Pikachu. Oh, I love Stitch. I love those stuffed toys. Yeah, soon we're gonna collect the cute stuffed ones. So cute. Oh. Milk tea. Wow. I love those. Some drinks in here. Ashley, go away.
Ice cream cake.
We in the fat Philip. What?
Now I could see.
Oh, we just see
Ice cream.
some drinks in the Fat Philip. Ate, here, Fat Philip. There. Look at their store. So good. We ordered this one. Bye. Go ask for the sample. Can I have the samples? The sample. Yeah. What flavor is the best? Is there mango?
No mango.
What is the flavor in here?
Caramel and passion fruit.
Oh, can I taste that one?
Passion fruit?
Yeah.
Yes, sure.
This is so cool.
You like it? Or you try another?
It tastes like mango.
But it's
Yeah.
mango mix a little bit. Try this
So
one.
what's this?
Sister.
So,
A little show. Which one you like better?
not too sweet.
Yeah.
The ice cream are not too sweet. That's good.
You have the other. Mango. This one. Because mango.
Another one. Oh, it's like bubble gum. But I like more better the two flavors.
Oh, this is for mango.
Yeah. You got your own. Just wait. Can you hold it? Nay, wait. There's a rubbish bin there. There's a rubbish bin there. There. Thank you so much. Thank you. Go in the car.
Mom, I'm gonna take your one. Sorry, Mom, mine was better.
There's a rubbish bin there. Luluto po ang aking asawa ng pork humba. Yan. Pork hack. Nagisa na po. Yan ang aking lakay, ang aming chef. Yan. Nyataan, ikabil mo aminan. Ingredients na tapos si pressure cooker. Nilakay black beans, banana blossom, and white pepper, black pepper, asin, dato puti, soy sauce, syempre mantika, panggisa. Baka ihalo pa niya tong soup ng pineapple kasi wala kaming Sprite. Husband is adding sugar. Yun. May sugar na po siya kasi kulang ang Sprite. Humba. Nang maluto, ang sarap. Yan, may banana blossom na po. Lapit na, Han. Okay lang yan, yung may sabaw-sabaw. Sarap.
Oh, whoa, down there. No, go!
Ay, naku, data na. Kanin.
1970 milliliter. Fruit glass. That means I could eat it? Yum, 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 yum. Plastic. Not mine. This smells amazing here, the dream spot. Why? Because I'll tell you. Because it'll be better. I get a better view like this.
Guys, let's eat.
Ay!
Munting nang tulog. Eat.
Where's my fork gone?
Huh?
I have a fork.
Let's eat, guys.
I'm trying to calm my tummy down too because it hurt. Where's my tummy hurts? Yum, okay, Mr. Tony.
Yummy, yummy. Okay, dito.
Anything.
Baka makanyo di paminta.
What's that? It
Black
smells
pepper.
so good.
Yummy.
It tastes like candy.
Well, yummy.
Why does there always honey in my teeth?
Gusto lang doon sa mitnahan.
I have a bone.
Ay, makasuya. Bye! See you on our next video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and press the notification bell to update more videos. Bye-bye!
That looks so sweet.